Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Zorin OS in your computer operating system in a very simple way. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download it and how you can simply boot it into your pen drive. So for that, you have to open any of your favorite browser, and then what you can do, you can simply search here Zorin OS and click enter. After that, you're going to get the official website from Zorin OS or Zorin.com. So click on that. After that, you can simply see the Zorin OS website over here. So now if you just simply click on the download Zorin OS, you're going to get Zorin OS 18 Pro. So here is the Pro function. If you want to download it, it's very simple. It's only $47. But if you want to get the free one, it is over here for Zorin OS 18 Core for basic use. Here it is. So now if you look for the Zorin OS 18 education, if you want to use it for educational purposes, then there is a dedicated operating system, Zorin OS 18 education. You can simply download it and it's completely free. So right now I'm going to scroll on a little bit for showing you the functionality have for Pro, Core and Education users. So if you're using the Pro, you're going to get the Office Suite, Zorin Connect, education apps and games. You're not going to get it. It's only for the education site. There is a standard desktop layout and plus 8 premium desktop layout. It's only for the Pro users. Professional grade creative suite apps, advanced productivity tools, additional work, Zorin installation support service contributes to the development of Zorin OS. So basically for the core users, it has only Office Suite, Zorin Connect and standard desktop layout. So these are this functionality you're going to get into Zorin OS Core. So in this video, I'm going to download the Zorin OS 18 Core. So for that, I'm going to click on here, download. And in here, you can simply give your email if you want. If you don't want it, you can simply skip and download. And then we're going to get the download. Click on the download and it's now installing. Now it's downloading Zorin OS into our computer driver. So it's about 3.53 GB. So it will take some more minutes to complete. For that, keep your patience. Now you can simply see that the Zorin OS is rightly downloaded. And now if I just simply go to the folder, into the downloads, here you can see the Zorin OS is rightly downloaded. And now how you can simply boot it into your pen drive. So first you have to download this software called Rufus. You can simply search into your browser Rufus. You can simply search it. Simply click on Rufus create bootable USB drives the easy way. If you click on that, then you can simply get the linked options. You can simply download any of your preferable one. So now after downloading it, you can simply click on it and then you can simply click on the select option and then you have to select your Zorin OS. So if you click on that, you can see it's now selected. From cluster size, you can simply select it into 8192 bytes and everything will remain the same. And then if you click on start, click OK. OK another time, creating the file system into your pen drive. So it will take some seconds to complete. For that, you need to give patience. And now you can simply see that the bootloader is completed. Now if you click on the close button and now if you simply go to Zorin OS, you can simply the bootload is completed. Now you have to just install these into your PC. So if you want to know how you can simply install it, then you can still comment below. From there, I will make another dedicated video to show you how you can simply bootloaded it into your PC. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.